50 to 35 kilometers above Earth's surface, a gas called ozone surrounds the planet. The ozone layer acts as a barrier between Earth and ultraviolet radiation from the sun. However, pollution has caused the ozone layer to thin, exposing life Earth to dangerous radiation. Earth's atmosphere is made up of 6 layers. The second layer, called stratosphere, contains the ozone layer. The ozone layer is made up of highly reactive molecule called ozone, which contains 3 oxygen atoms. Ozone is a trace gas in the atmosphere. There are only about 3 molecules for every 10 million molecules of air, but it does a very important job. The ozone layer acts as a Earth sunscreen, absorbing about 98% of damaging ultraviolet or UV light. But the ozone layer had got thinner. Chemicals called chlorofluorocarbons or CFCs are the primary culprit in ozone layer breakdown. CFCs are mostly found in refrigerants, aerosols, and plastic products. When CFCs are exposed to UV rays in the atmosphere, they break down into substances that include chlorine. The chlorine reacts with the oxygen atoms in ozone and rips apart the ozone molecule. The ozone layer depletion causes increased UV radiation levels at the Earth's surface, which is damaging to human health. Its negative effects include increases in certain types of skin cancers, eye cataracts, and immune deficiency disorders. Now, it's our duty to protect the ozone layer, so I'm going to go on and work on preserving the ozone layer, encouraging everyone to recycle. Thank you.
Good morning everyone. I'm Sirajunisa CP studying in 10th standard of Marcus International School. Today, I'm here to present a presentation on the topic ozone layer. First of all, let me introduce what a ozone layer is. Ozone is a layer on atmosphere. It acts like an umbrella to the earth, like umbrella protecting humans from the rain. Hence, it is known as the protective layer of earth. It is found in the stratosphere around 15 to 30 kilometers above the Earth's surface. It covers the entire planet and protects the life on Earth by absorbing the ultraviolet rays from the sun. Nowadays, the ozone layer is getting destroyed day by day. It is said to be that if the situation on Earth is continued like this, the ozone layer will be completely destroyed by the year 2060. The countries like Argentina, South Africa, Australia, New Zealand, and Chile are affected by ozone hole. Now, here is an illustration that shows the cause of ozone depletion. The main cause of ozone depletion is the increase in the amount of chlorofluorocarbon. The chlorofluorocarbons produced from the homes and industries will rise in the atmosphere and lead to the depletion of ozone layer. This causes the entering of ultra.
Life depletes when ozone depletes. Good morning to all. I am Asya Marib NK from grade 10C. World Ozone Day is observed on September 16 every year to spread awareness among people about the depletion of ozone layer. So today, let me talk about on the topic causes and consequences of ozone layer depletion. So let's know first about what is ozone layer. The ozone layer is a common term for the high concentration of ozone that is found in the stratosphere around 1530 km above the Earth's surface. It covers the entire planet and protects life on Earth by absorbing harmful ultraviolet radiation from the sun. The main cause of ozone depletion and the ozone hole is manufactured chemicals, especially manufactured halocarbon refrigerants, solvents, propellants, and foam blowing agents. But chlorofluorocarbon is also the main reason for that. UV rays negatively affect plants' crop. It may lead to minimal plant growth, smaller leaf size, flowering and photosynthesis in plants, lower quality crop for humans, and decline in plant productivity would in turn affect soil erosion and the carbon cycle also. Ozone depletion causes increased UV radiation levels at the Earth's surface, which is damaging to human health. Negative effects include increase in certain types of skin cancers, eye cataracts, and immune deficiency disorders. Everything it will affect in a bad way itself. So we want to stop this. So let me share you some of the solutions to stop this ozone depletion that we want to do practically. Avoid the consumption of gases dangerous to the ozone layer due to their content or manufacturing process. Some of the most dangerous gases are CFC, chlorofluorocarbons, halogenated hydrocarbon, methyl bromide, and nitrous oxide. Minimize the use of cars. The best transport option is urban bicycle or walking. So use this ozone day of 2021 as something valuable to your life and also to this whole world. Thank you.
Hello friends, today I am talking about the ozone layer. The ozone layer protects the earth from the sun harmful rays. Because of this plays a massive role in helping to preserve the life in our planet. Without an ozone layer, harmful rays of the sun would reach us and harmless good ozone is present in the stratosphere. World Ozone Day is September 16th of every year. World Ozone Day is important because it is a day that is used to spreading awareness regarding the ozone layers depletion as well as search for the solution in order to preserve it. The weakening of ozone causes skin cancer. Holes in ozone can affect plants. The ozone layer is a piece. The ozone layer is a piece of the atmosphere that has a high ozone concentration. Ozone is a gas that is made of 3 oxygen atoms, O3.
Hello everyone, I'm Sidrat Muntaha. Today I'm here to talk about replenish ozone layer criteria. Ozone depletion is a major environmental problem because it increases the amount of ultraviolet radiation that reaches Earth's surface, which increases the rate of skin cancer, eye cataract, and genetic and immune system damage. Ozone depletion occurs when chlorofluorocarbons and halogens gases are released into the atmosphere. Chlorofluorocarbons and halogens causes chemical reaction that breaks down ozone's molecule, reducing ozone's ultraviolet radiation absorbing capacity. To replenish ozone layer, avoid the consumption of gases dangerous to the ozone layer due to their content or manufacturing process. Minimize the use of cars. Do not use cleaning products that are harmful to the environment and to us. Buy local products. Maintain air conditioners. That's all. Thank you.
Reduce the ozone depletion. Otherwise, you will be in red zone. Good morning to all. As we all know that today is September 16th, the Ozone Day. This is not a day just to talk simply and achieve the prize. No, this is a day to share the valuable messages and to change the world in a great. So today let me talk about on the topic replenish of ozone layer. So first itself, let's make a clarity on what is ozone layer. The ozone layer is found in the stratosphere around 50 to 30 kilometers above the Earth's surface. It covers the entire planet and protects the life on planet by absorbing the harmful ultraviolet rays coming from the sun. But nowadays we are hearing some of the news as our blanket as the ozone is getting some of the holes as ozone depletion is happening. Did you ever think how the ozone depletion is happening? We want to know. So let's know that when chlorine atom and bromine atom come in contact with ozone in the stratosphere, they destroy the ozone molecules. One chlorine atom can destroy 1 lakh ozone molecules as ozone get fastly destroyed because they are naturally created. So if I am asking or if I'm saying that we the peoples are reason for this, you will agree? You should agree because it's by we the people itself. The air pollution coming from the factories, engines, and also we are burning the plastics. And the carbon monoxide coming from the different types of the vehicles. Automobile industrial emissions release a family of nitrogen oxide gases. So it's clear that we the peoples are only reason for the ozone depletion. So you want to stop this. Don't think that if we create, it will not affect us. We are creating and we itself want to suffer more than the plants and animals. So now, let me share you how the ozone depletion is affecting to we the people's human health through skin cancers, eye cataract, immune deficiency disorders. And UV rays also affect the plant growth and reduce the productivity of agriculture. Just think that if the plant growth is decreasing, the oxygen getting to we the people is also decreasing. If the agricultural productivity is also decreasing, the hunger and the poverty in this whole world will be decreasing in a huge way. So it's also affecting to we the people itself because we created here. So time is there. Take your time and do it. Stop that because time is not there. Time had already came. We became late to begin. So now let me share you some of the solutions that we want to bring in our daily life to stop the ozone depletion. 1. Avoid the gas which is dangerous to the ozone layer. Stop increasing the harmful gas CFC, methyl bromide and nitrous oxide. Minimize the use of cars. Increase the use of bicycle and walking. The next one is which is very much important that we are learning from small age to big age itself, which is plant growth. If the number of the plant is increasing in our world, it will be much productive and also it will give a big strength to our world. So it's our all world we want to protect with the help of our chains. So start from this second itself to use the solutions and to stop the creation. Thank you.